Login failed on Empower Invest app fix. You tried to check your Empower Invest dashboard, but suddenly, login failed. It's annoying, but here's the thing. Most people assume it's a serious glitch or account lockout. In reality, it's usually caused by something much simpler. Let's fix it fast. First, check your internet connection. Empower Invest pulls real-time financial data and requires a secure network to protect your account. If you're on spotty Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or toggle airplane mode briefly to refresh your signal. Next, update your Empower app. Go to your App Store or Google Play, search Empower, Finance, Budget and Wealth, and tap Update if it's available. Outdated app versions can't always sync properly with Empower's login servers. Now, manually type in your login credentials. Most people get this wrong because they use autofill, which sometimes stores old or incorrect passwords. If your login still fails, use Forgot Password to reset your access securely. If that doesn't help, clear your app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Empower Storage, clear cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app. This wipes out any corrupted data blocking the login process. Also, check if you're using a VPN or privacy app. Empower security system can flag mass tips as suspicious and block login attempts. Disable the VPN, try again, and you'll often get instant access. If none of that works, log in through the Empower website. If it works there, but not in the app, it's an app issue, reinstall it. If it fails in both places, it's likely a temporary server issue. Wait a few minutes and try again later. So the next time your Empower Invest app says login failed, don't stress. Update your app, verify your internet, re-enter your password manually, and clear your cache. These quick steps usually fix it fast, so you can get back to tracking your net worth and managing your investments without missing a beat.